Welcome back to the Diabetes Everyday Kitchen for another fabulous diabetes-friendly recipe from another fabulous registered dietitian. Popeye the Sailor Man had it right about spinach, but Dr. Janet Brill has gone way beyond squeezing this incredibly nutritious leafy green out of a can. Today's recipe is from Dr. Janet's recent book, Prevent a Second Heart Attack. Spinach with pine nuts and raisins. This is an elegant side dish that's actually quick and easy. Here's all we need. 2 tablespoons pine nuts, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves peeled and sliced, 2 tablespoons raisins, about 5 ounces of baby spinach, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Okay, let's prepare this dish. Don't leave your screen or you'll miss this quickie. First, we carefully toast the pine nuts. We don't want to burn them, but we want them lightly browned. Remove the toasted pine nuts and set aside. Now, we heat our olive oil in the same skillet. Next, we'll add the garlic and raisins, and we'll saute these for about 1 minute to soften everything. Our final cooking step is to add the spinach, tossing it in the oil with tongs to wilt the greens. Now we'll remove from the heat, season with salt and pepper, add the toasted pine nuts back in, and this dish is ready to serve. This is just marvelous and will go with any main course. Eat your heart out, Popeye. Now, this recipe as published and as I prepared it makes 2 servings. Our members know that the Diabetes Everyday shopping list will include ingredients for 4 servings. And check out the nutrition information. Each serving is 166 calories, 13 grams carbohydrate, 2 grams fiber, 4 grams protein, and only 1 gram of total fat. 0 cholesterol, and 128 milligrams of sodium. Thank you, Dr. Janet, for loaning us this healthy, diabetes-friendly recipe. The instructions say serve immediately, so if you excuse me. Oh, thanks for watching Diabetes Every Day.